Hi everyone, this is Dipti. I'm from the Asia Group. I'd like to introduce a job opportunity to all of you. It's into assembling, welding and machine operation in a steel factory. We need about 3 people for this particular job. It's a full-time job. Saitama Prefecture would be the place of work. Time would be an 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. The approximate salary expectation per month. And there is a bonus involved. In 2 times it would be divided. And basic daily conversational Japanese skills is good to apply for this particular job opportunity. The interviews for this job is on the 13th of October on Wednesday in our office in the Asia Group. And a little bit about our office. We have job fairs and job interviews every single day of the week. Job fairs is when that particular day the company's HRs or presidents coming down to our office. Their job openings would be shared with you. You can select one and challenge and go ahead with that particular job interview. So on Monday, Wednesdays, Fridays, it is at 11 a.m. The interviews happen at around 2 p.m. Whereas the Tuesdays, Thursdays, Saturdays and Sundays, the job fair is about 2 p.m. Interviews happen around 5 p.m. And yeah, this would be our address, Kanda, Tokyo, and the phone number where you can get in touch with us if you wish to apply for any job. Thank you so much.